Nvidia has experienced 2 outstanding years in the market, but it's unlikely the company will replicate that same performance in 2025. That being said, I still believe there are many compelling reasons to own Nvidia stock or even purchase more shares in 2025. While there are many factors to consider, I've identified 3 strong reasons that convince me to invest in Nvidia shares before 2025 begins. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Much of Nvidia's recent growth has been driven by its Hopper architecture. This design enabled some remarkable achievements, but Nvidia's upcoming next-generation architecture, known as Blackwell, is set to usher in an entirely new era. Blackwell introduces several advancements over Hopper. Among the most notable is its ability to train artificial intelligence, AI, models at more than twice the speed. This offers a significant advantage for anyone working on AI model training. For companies with virtually unlimited budgets in the competitive AI industry, this speed increase could be a compelling reason to upgrade their systems in 2025. Although Blackwell GPUs have already begun shipping in 2024, Nvidia's management has noted that demand significantly exceeds production capacity. Expanding production to meet this high demand will be a critical focus in 2025. Blackwell GPUs are expected to provide a major boost for Nvidia in 2025, further driving the company's sales growth and solidifying its position as a leader in the AI hardware market. In preparation for Blackwell sales in 2025, Nvidia's largest clients have already informed investors that they plan to increase spending on AI computing power and cloud computing capacity next year. Meta Platforms announced during its third-quarter earnings report that investors should expect significant capital expenditures growth in 2025. This increase is focused on expanding Meta's AI computing infrastructure, a move that will greatly benefit Nvidia. Amazon, which operates the largest cloud computing business through AWS, highlighted during its conference call. The important thing to note about the AWS business is that the cash life cycle requires us to invest more capital in data centers, networking equipment, and hardware as demand grows faster. In simpler terms, because AWS experienced accelerated revenue growth in Q3, it must invest further to meet supply needs. With AWS AI business growing at a triple-digit percentage year over year, it's evident that additional Nvidia GPUs will be essential for securing long-term client relationships. The demand for AI computing power continues to rise and has not yet peaked. This ongoing growth will support Nvidia in maintaining strong momentum throughout 2025. Valuing Nvidia's stock has been quite the puzzle, especially given its unprecedented growth trajectory. Recently, we've seen a slowdown, but Wall Street still anticipates a staggering 51% revenue increase next year. This opens the door to using traditional earnings multiples for evaluation, and right now, Nvidia is trading at 53 times its trailing earnings and 30 times projected earnings for fiscal 2026. While those numbers seem high, they're not out of line when you compare them to giants like Apple and Microsoft, which trade at 42 and 36 times their trailing earnings, respectively. Considering Nvidia's expected growth in 2025, the stock doesn't appear overly expensive. With Nvidia trading below its previous highs, it presents a compelling opportunity for investors. This is a moment to consider adding Nvidia shares to your portfolio. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.